English-Catalan Essentials. I need, equals.
Necessito.
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bite-sized lessons. Today you'll nail the Catalan way to say, I need.
Necessito.
We'll keep it fun, fast, and super useful. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll confidently start requests in Catalan anywhere you go. Your target phrase is
Necessito.
think, it's necessary.
Necesito.
Need something? Start with that magic key and add the thing you want. Patterns that stick. Let's lock in the forms you'll actually use. Affirmative.
Necesito.
Plus thing. Example.
Necessito un moment per pensar.
I need a moment to think. Negative.
No necessito.
Example.
No necessito ayuda ara.
I don't need help now. Question to a friend.
Necessites.
Example.
Necessites ayuda.
Do you need help? Compare need versus want.
Necessito.
Need vs.
Vull.
I want. Also useful.
Tinc.
I have. Example.
Tinc aigua, gràcies.
I have water, thanks. Store dialogue. Picture yourself at a shop, listen and repeat. You.
Bon dia. Necessito una ampolla d'aigua, si us plau.
Good morning. I need a bottle of water, please. Clerk.
Ara mateix. Necessites res més.
Right away. Do you need anything else? You.
No, gràcies. Necessito pagar amb targeta.
No, thanks. I need to pay by card. Laugh break. A little humor to glue the phrase in your brain. I told my cat.
Necessito.
Space. He sat on the keyboard to help. Quick drills. Say it out loud, your turn. I'll give you a cue, you answer in Catalan. Translate. I need a moment to think. Answer.
Necessito un moment per pensar.
Translate. When I am tired, I say, I need rest. Answer.
Quan estic cansat, dic, necessito descansar.
Translate. At the store, I need a bottle of water. Answer.
A la botiga, necessito una ampolla d'aigua.
Translate. I need some help with this. Answer.
Necessito una mica d'ajuda amb això.
Negation. Say, I don't need anything. Answer.
No necessito res.
Culture tip. Sound natural and polite in Catalonia. Start with a friendly
Bon dia.
or
Bona tarda.
then your request.
Necessito ajuda, si us plau.
On La Rambla you might ask.
Necessito indicacions.
A smile plus
Si us plau.
goes a long way. Mini quiz. Quick check, no pressure, just play. Q1. How do you say, I need, in Catalan? A.
Necessito.
Q2. Which is want, not need.
Necessito. No necessito.
Or.
Vull.
A.
Vull.
Q3. Give the pair need plus its negation. A.
Necessito.
Slash.
No necessito.
Q4. Ask a friend, do you need? A.
Necessites.
Your challenge. Let's make it real and memorable. Step to your door like a ritual and say,
Necessito cafè.
or your favorite thing. Then contrast.
Vull.
Versus.
Necessito.
With two different items. Finally, one negative.
No necesito.
Today. Keep it short and punchy. Goodbye from Synapse Lingo. Nice work, your requests just got clearer and kinder. Thanks for listening. Practice.
Necesito. No necesito. Vull. Tinc.
And.
Necessites.
This week. For more bite-sized English-Catalan lessons, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.